Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you different types of hairstyle you can do every day. These styles are easy, quick and perfect for school, work or just going out. You don't need to be professional, anyone can try them. Let's start with the first one, a simple ponytail. This one is the easiest style. You can do it high, low or even to the side, depending on the look you want. Next is the bun. You can go for a neat one if you want something plain, or a messy one for a more relaxed look. Another is easy one is braid. Yes, the easy one is braid. You can do a single braid or two braids. It helps keep your hair neat and can last long. We can also have twists. Yes, we can also have twists. This is a very simple, special for natural hair, and it protects your hair too. If you like leaving your hair out, or you can go for an afro or just keep it natural and wear shaped. Another one is half up, half down. It's also a nice style. You tie part of your hair and leave the rest. It's simple but still very stylish. You can also try both special if you have natural hair. One puff or two puffs both look real cute. And if you don't feel like styling your hair, you can use a scarf or hair wrap.